Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are in Delhi in Rajesh Cycle. If you guys want to know how I got here and what I'm doing here, I'm giving you a link to my other channel where I do my travel vlogs. So the link is going to be somewhere up here, and do check it out and do let me know what you guys think. But today we are here to check out the Giant Fathom 1 2021 edition. So before we go see the cycle that I have come here to review, let's just take a quick look at this store. Rajesh Cycle is spread across 4 floors. Yes, 4 floors. I just showed you 2 more floors. There are 2 more floors above this filled with cycles. So if you guys are looking for cycles in Delhi NCR region, definitely a place to check out. And now, the bike we are here to review. Let's start off with the front suspension. The front suspension is a Giant Crest suspension. This is a 130mm air suspension which comes with a lockout. This suspension also has a rebound adjuster. Next, the cockpit. We have a 35mm stem on which there's a 720mm alloy handlebar. On this handlebar you have separate brakes and gear shifters. On the right we have the gears and the brakes. On the left we have the dropper post control and the brakes. Now let's talk about the frame. This is an aluminum alloy frame with internal routing of cables. The internal routing ensures that this bike has nice clean lines and there's lesser things to get snagged when you're on the trail. Also, this color is a beautiful teal color and it looks really rich and makes the bike pop. Standard fitment on this bike is this dropper post. The braking on this bike is provided by Shimano 180mm disc brakes. The brakes itself are MT401s. The rims on this bike are Giant double wall alloy rims. These are tubeless ready rims, so you can always convert your bike to a tubeless in no time. The tires on this bike are 2.6 inch tires, so they're quite wide. And now the drivetrain. The drivetrain on this bike is a 1x12. So on the front you have a SRAM 30-tooth crankset, while at the rear it's a 12-speed. The rear derailleur is a SRAM NX, which comes with a clutch. To ensure that you get a nice rigid ride, you have through axles on both the front and rear wheels. This bike weighs in at about 14 kgs. Now that I've mentioned the specs of this bike, let me just take it for a ride and, well, basically enjoy it. price of 1,48,000 rupees. This is a Giant Fathom 1 2021 edition. So I was done with the video for the Giant, and this is Rajesh. He's the owner of the store.
Hi.
So Rajesh Cycles, he's Rajesh. And he had a surprise for me. He's given me that box. So if you guys want to see what is in that box, I'll be making a video on that. Video for that is going to be in my other channel. So do check it out and do subscribe. So until next time, safe ride everyone.
Ciao guys. Thank you.